Hi girlfriends, my name's Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video will be an unboxing video. So I have here a Russell Hobbs 3-in-1 classic hand blender. So this would be my first unboxing video. If you would watch my very first set of videos, I would mention that my channel is about living in Australia, home recommendations, and recipes. And so far, isa pa lang na home recommendation yung na-upload ko, or 2 videos ata. So, I want to add this unboxing video. Russell Hobbs is a British company. Meron na kaming slow cooker na Russell Hobbs and nagustuhan namin siya. So, hindi siya ganun kamahal. And hindi rin naman ganun ka-cheap. Tapos, okay naman yung quality ng slow cooker so far. So, nung naghanap ako ng electric mixer, kasi feel ko pwede to gamiting mixer eh. So if you want to see what's inside, then please keep on watching. Oh yeah, let's open it. So we have here the manual. Ayan, and then this is the whisk and my whisk. Kukugasan ko din naman itong mga to. Whisk, and then what's this? Okay. Dito mo ikakabit yung whisk. Kasi kada function niya, meron parang pagkakabitan. So, ganyan. Tapos siguro ikakabit mo siya dun sa pinaka-mixer niya na may controller. Okay, what else? Come on, tanggal. Okay, so ito na yung pinaka-mixer ata. So, meron siyang 2 speeds na setting with pulse settings. Saan yung pulse? So, okay. Ayan. Meron siyang 1 and 2 na setting. Pero hindi ko sure kung paano mo gagamitin yung pulse na setting. Baka pag inano mo yung 1, press mo siya na mabilis. Tapos pag hinold mo yung number ng 1, for example, dun siya magpa-pulse. Okay. So, ito is for blending, I guess. Ayan. So, meron siyang beaker, is it? Ito. Lagayan. So, dyan mo i-blend ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay. So, obviously, di ako marunong mag-unbox. Okay. So, this is the main, or not main, pero para siyang yung mga food processor na container. Ayan. Wow. Pwede ka na mag-chop na. Okay. Ito, meron akong 2-year warranty, 2-speed settings, dishwasher safe parts, powerful 500 watts motor. Okay, so tingnan natin yung manual. Kung ano yung tawag dun sa mga niya. Sa mga parts. Mini chopper lid. So, ito yung pinaka-mini chopper. Okay. Ang galing. Oh my gosh. Wait. So, may ganito pala siya sa loob. Ayan. Yung chopping knife. Oh my gosh. Nakaka-excite. So, alam niyo yung pag tumatanda ka na, na-excite ka na sa mga pangbahay na gamit. Yes! So, yeah. Nasa ganung stage ako ngayon. So, ipakita ko lang yung parts in detail. Ito yung for whisking. And then, for blending, obviously, and with this container. And then, ito yung pinaka-main na magpa-power sa kanya. And then, ito yung mini chopper. Ikakabit lang dito yung motor din. So, yeah. So, 3-in-1 siya. Mini chopper, blender, and then whisk. Sayang hindi ko na-unbox or na-video yung pag-unbox ng slow cooker. Pero, i-review ko yung slow cooker. So, ito, baka i-review ko to. Since, bala ko mag-bake ng some things. So, I will do that. Siguro, gagamitin ko siya ng mga 3 to 5 times. And I will tell you what I think. Kung meron din kayo nitong hand blender na to, let me know in the comments below. And kung okay ba siya. And kung ano yung experience nyo, ganyan. So, alam ko. And kung ano yung mga do's and don'ts. So, yeah. If you want more of these unboxing videos ng kitchenware or yung mga kitchenware hauls, grocery hauls, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Please like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you, bye! Hi girlfriends, my name's Ellen. Welcome back to my channel.